Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase objects in Photoshop. We often capture amazing moments, but sometimes an unexpected item appears in the frame. Removing these distractions can significantly enhance your image's impact and visual appeal. We will explore powerful tools that make this process straightforward and highly effective, helping you achieve a polished look. You will soon master the art of creating clean, uncluttered photographs with ease. Begin by opening your image in Photoshop and selecting the undesired object. Use tools like the lasso tool, quick selection tool, or pen tool for accuracy. Once your selection is active, navigate to the Edit menu and choose Content-Aware Fill. This powerful feature analyzes the surrounding pixels, intelligently filling the selected area with new content. It aims to match texture, lighting, and shading for a natural result. After activating Content-Aware Fill, a new workspace appears, showing your image and a green overlay. This green area indicates the pixel's Photoshop uses for sampling. You can paint over or erase parts of this green area to guide the tool, ensuring it selects only relevant surrounding information. Preview the changes in real time on the right side of your screen. Click OK to apply the fill when satisfied, integrating the object removal into your main image. For smaller, more precise touch-ups after Content-Aware Fill, consider using the Spot Healing Brush tool or the Clone Stamp tool. These are excellent for removing tiny blemishes or refining edges that did not fill perfectly. Remember to always work non-destructively by duplicating your layer before making major edits. This practice ensures you can revert to the original state if needed, maintaining complete flexibility. Finally, save your edited image in a suitable format, like a high-quality JPEG or a layered PSD file for future adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.